Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and as I had promised you earlier, today we are going to look at manual washing machine. I have a Ramtoms 10 kg manual washing machine, and I'm going to show you how it works. It is easy to use and it doesn't need so much knowledge to use it. You can use it when there is no running water, and you can use it if there is running water. So welcome back. Let's do the cleaning together. Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell and comment if you can. Thank you. Now this is how it works. Now this is the washing point. This is the rinsing place. Then we are going to let the water. I have running water already, so I have already connected to the tap, and there is this hole here. There is this side for wash. So if you want the water to get in here, you go. It is already here. And if you want to go on the other side, you have to take it to the pin side, then it will drain inside. So because we are starting to wash, let's leave it. Then this is how it has these four areas where you are going to use. There is this. Let's start with the washing. This is where you set the time you want to your cloth to be clean. If you want it 15 minutes, you just rest to the 15 minutes. If you want it to go for, that means when it goes back here, you will need to take it back there. Then there are those clothes which are not very dirty. For those clothes which are not very dirty, you take it to this point of heavy, and if they are not that dirty, you can take it, but I prefer using the heavy on board, even if they are dirty, or because nowadays people know how to keep themselves clean. So I prefer this because it's more faster and it cleans faster at the same time. Then this water here, you know very well, it has to be drained at the end of the day. So there is this side. While you are washing, it should be at this point. When you are draining water, it's when you open, you turn it to this drain point. So the water will start flowing. There is that the pipe. This is the draining pipe. Yes, I just put it there, and you can see water flowing, and it drains away. Yeah, that's how you drain the water. So we are going to wait for, there are limits whereby there is minimum level and there is the highest level. Yeah, they are marked here. The lowest is here and the highest is here. So it should not go below this point, and it should not go higher than this point. Yes, let's start now. Put water inside. After it is done to the level I want, I'll show you how we do it. Keep watching. Okay, it's not a must for this one to use the washing machine powder. You can use the normal one. Then according to the cloth which you are washing, you can add the powder as much as you feel like. Like for me, I'm not going to wash so many clothes, so I'll just put according to my prevalence. Yes. Then to mix the soap, I'll take it to 3 minutes. Now, then I have to connect it to the I have to connect it here because it is an electric one. Then 3 minutes for mixing the soap. Then I'm going to start with the white colored clothes or the brightly colored one. Then I set for 15 minutes. I'm going to clean them for 15 minutes because I had already soaked them. So it's not that dirty. Yes. Oh. So we are going to wait for 15 minutes to clean the cloth. Then we proceed with the process. Yes, it's going to automatically stop. Once it stops, I'm going to take these clothes to the drying area whereby I'm going to rinse them. Yes, now it has stopped. Now I'll take them here. Then there is this. It's used to cover the clothes so that they don't pop out, and it is assisted by this. It will pop out. Then there are two options of rinsing these clothes. I can rinse them directly by, I can spin and rinse them at the same time by putting this on this point. Then I open the mini, but I prefer first to spin. And when you are spinning, water has to come out, so don't forget to take out your draining pipe. Oh, yes. Then I'm going to, you can rinse for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, but now, because now I'm going to rinse and at the same time spin, I'm going to take it to 5 minutes. When the water dries out there, when the water dries out there, when that water dries, or it stops coming out, I'm going to open now the tap water. It should be at the spin side for the water to enter here and rinse them directly. So I'm not going to take it back here to rinse. I'm rinsing them directly and take them to. Now you can see it had already cleared, but now we are bring out the now. Now we are already done with spinning and the same time rinsing. So I'm going to hang the clothes directly. It has now stopped, and I forgot to let you know that while it is spinning, if you open this, it will stop. So you can't rinse or spin them when this stop is open. So you have to keep it there to avoid it from. Yes. Now we are done with rinsing. I'm going to hang them because I've rinsed and at the same time spin. At times, there are people who prefer to spin. After they spin, they put again another clean water. They rinse again and then they spin, then they hang. But for me, I know my clothes are not that dirty, so I've decided to rinse them directly. So they are very clean. As you can see, they are very clean. White cloth. Yes, I'm going to hang them. Very clean. Very, very, very clean. So I don't need to go again and rinse them again. I'm going to hang them directly. Yes. Actually, this machine is very economical on the side of electricity because at times I have a lot of loads of clothes to wash, and I can maximum use like maybe 2 tokens to clean. So it is very economical in many sites. When there is no running water, you can just take your container and start putting your water here, and you clean and you carry on. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. If there is anything you would like to know, you can ask on the comment section. If there is anything you have not understood, you can ask at the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more videos. Yes. Bye.